Hi, I'm Blaine with Prairie Barnwood. Thanks for tuning in. Today we'll talk a little bit about our faux beams and some different choices and styles that you have to choose from. So you can click onto our website under faux beams. I believe it's under architectural pieces, and you can see the different beam options. These ones are shown in a rustic fir. You can also choose from our brown weatherboard, and this is just a nice brush weatherboard. And then there's this beautiful gray weatherboard. And so you can choose your faux beams based on that. The faux beams, what I love about them is they're hollow in the center. They're solid wood, but they're hollow in the center. And basically you just take them up to the ceiling and fasten them up there and you get a decorative beam. The way that they're made, you can see on here, we call it a Dado joint. So it's rounded over just like a beam. And on the edges here, it only has what we call a 1/4 inch reveal. So here's the joint. It's not like some places where they do a miter. You do a miter over time, it opens up. When you do a butt joint, you can see the end grains on here. The way we do ours, it looks exactly like a beam.